Okay, DeLinda, you're going to take a reading test. I want you to try to read it as fast as you can, but not so fast that you're going to make mistakes on it. If you see a word that you don't know what it is, try to figure it out. If you cannot figure it out, I'll tell you what it is.
You don't have trouble with that.
Okay?
Why are you making video?
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Start when you're ready.
Usually you tell me. Okay, I'm ready. A rainy day. Emma was so excited she could not sleep. Tomorrow she was going to the zoo with her best friend. She awoke to a bright flash of light and a loud boom. Uh-oh. She thought it can't rain today. She called downstairs to her mom. Do I get to go to the zoo? Her mother answered, not today. The storms are bad. Emma stomped her feet and began to cry. Her mother said, come here and help me in the kitchen. Emma went into the kitchen and saw her mother stirring a big bowl. What are you making? Pink cookies. Emma asked. Animal cookies. Knew it. She said. Emma thought this rainy day won't be so bad after all.
Okay.